good morning to all. It's an honor to twin with the talented buddies of Samir CHS. I, Safa, with Niggist of MSM HHS, is presenting the Hello World programs today. My sweet friend from 6th standard is ready to boast on her favorite toy. Let's listen.
Good morning. My name is Alia. I study in standard 6 at MSM HSS Kayangulam. How are you? We can see our friends now. But I am happy again because I have cute friend at my home. Hooray! She is Pinky, my sweet teddy. My sister gift. Look at this. She is so cute and pinkish. She is very puffy. But I like it so much.
You earlier, the teddy was so cute. Friend Arjun from Standard 5 is ready to advertise his biscuit. Let's watch.
My name is Arjun. I am studying in Standard 5 at MSM HSS Kayangulam. I have made an advertisement for my biscuit. Do you want to see it? Jim Jim biscuit. Tasty and healthy biscuit. Kids' favorite solid milk. Try it and enjoy.
Thank you, Arjun. I think the biscuit is yummy. The next item is very interesting. A puppet show by Anaga, Standard 5.
My name is Anaga. I am studying in Standard 5 at the MSM HSS school. Today I am going to a puppet show. And this is a tortoise and this is a rabbit. They are going to start a running race. I won! What is it? You spoiled my sleep? I had a beautiful dream. What is it? I want a running race. Ha ha! You won? You are too slow. Okay, let's start a race. Then you will know strength is the only thing to win. Okay, let's start race. I won!
Anaga, it was very funny. We are passing through the pandemic phase. We overcame another disaster, the flood. Our friend Fawaz from Standard 6 will read the news report.
Welcome to MSM News. I am Fawaz. August 9, it was crucial for Kerala. The first shutter of Cheradoni Dam was opened after 26 years. Heavy rain, landslide in Idukki district, and all the shutter of Cheradoni Dam was opened on August 10. Again, August 13 and 14 were very crucial. More towns isolated. Mullaperiyar water level crosses 14 off and 3 shutters opened. Red alert sounded in 13 districts. All the school and educational institutions were closed. Many people marooned. The Army, Navy, Air Force and NDRF jointly began the rescue operations. People were moved to safer grounds and relief camps. Road, rail, transport came to stand still. It continued up to August 19. The flood ended up to 400 plus deaths. 11,006 houses destroyed. But Kerala fought collectively. We stood together and worked together. Yes, we overcame.
It was a comprehensive report. Sweet friend Shifana is ready with a beautiful morning scene. She is a good painter. Let's watch.
My name is Shifana Shan. I am studying in Standard 6 at MSM HSS Kayangulam. This is the picture of a beautiful village. There is a hills in the village. Sun is peeping the head over the hills. So many trees in the village, coconut trees and another plants. There is a boat in the river. Man is fishing. There is a paddy field in the village. One cow standing in the paddy field. One man standing near the cow. Birds are flying in the sky. Look, one beautiful house in the village.
Shifana, it was very nice. Familiar with monologue. Our friend Nistimol from Standard 6 is ready with a monologue.
I am studying in Standard 6 at MSM HSS Kayangulam. Today I am delivering a monologue. I am Howard Kelly. I earn my way by selling goods from door to door. One day I was too hungry and approached a house. Rang the bell. A young woman opened the door. I asked for a glass of water. She thought I was hungry, so she brought me a large glass of milk instead of water. I drank it slowly and asked how much I owe but her reply was amazing. She said, I don't owe anything. Her mother told them that kindness is repaid with kindness.
Teachers and parents, there is an important announcement for you of Love Safe Standard 6.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Afdal Saif. I am studying in Standard 6 at MSM HSS Kayangulam. Today I am here for an announcement. Please listen. Ladies and gentlemen, the novel coronavirus is spreading. All are requested to take some basic precautions. Always cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze with a handkerchief or tissue. Do not touch your eyes and mouth unnecessarily. Wash your hands frequently for 20 seconds. Avoid participating in large gatherings. Always wear a mask when you are outside home. Thank you.
Dear friends, we all love to watch movies, right? And what about a film review? Our friend Salifa Standard 6 is ready here for a review. Dear friends, we all love to watch movies, right? And what about a film review? Our friend Salifa Standard 6 is ready here for a review.
Hello friends, my name is Salifa. I am studying in 6th standard at MSM HSS Kayangulam. Today I am presenting a film review. The name of the movie is What Is That? An old father and his young son and his sparrow are the characters. They are sitting in the garden. A sparrow is there. Father is asking frequently the same question. What is that? Seeing the sparrow, son gets irritated on this. But father shows his diary. He has written that he has answered the same question of his son 21 times frequently, but he was happy then. It was really a touching movie.
6th standard friend Hashna is ready with an announcement.
My name is Ashna. I am studying Standard 6 at MSM HSS Kayangulam. And important announcement for you. Always remember the three letters SMS. S for soap or sanitizer, M for mask, S for safe distance. Don't go outside unnecessarily. Don't get into a crowd. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Saina Fatima. I am studying in Standard 6 at MSM HSS Kayangulam. Ladies and gentlemen, the novel coronavirus is spreading. All are requested to take some basic precautions. Always cover your mouth when you are coughing with handkerchief or a tissue. Don't touch your eyes and mouth unnecessarily. Wash your hands frequently 20 seconds. Avoid participating in large gatherings. Always wear a mask when you are outside home. Thank you.
It was an important announcement like songs and rhymes. Our cute little friend Nasria from Standard 5 is ready with a song.
My name is Nasriya. I am studying 5th standard MSM HSS Kayangulam. Lily, rose and jasmine, pretty blooming smile, gentle in the kissing, love you little friend. Lily, rose and jasmine, pretty blooming smile, gentle in the kissing, love you little friend. Beetle, bee and sparrow sing la la la, ooh la la la. Yummy, you sing nectar, thanks a lot you friend. Beetle, bee and sparrow sing la la la, ooh la la la. Yummy, you sing nectar, thanks a lot you friend. Rose and jasmine, pretty bloom smile, gentle in the kissing, love you little friend. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
It was a stories. Our friend from class 7, Irfana and Aisha, are ready to tell a story.
My name is Irfana. My name is Aisha. We are studying 7th standard in MSM HSS Kayangulam. Today we are going to telling a story. A man and a tiger. Once upon a time, there were two friends, a man and a tiger. But how did they become friends? This is a long story. Long ago, the tiger is left in a forest. One day he was walking in the jungle. He stepped on a thorn. The tiger cried. It was very painful. He tried to remove the thorn by himself, but all his effort in vain. At that time, a man passed through it. He followed the crying sound and reached the tiger. However, he felt pity for the poor animal who pulled out the thorn. The tiger lit him with gratitude. A few days later, a group of people went to forest. They took the animal home from the jungle. The people amazed how a tiger can fight with a man. The people selected the farmer. The tiger suddenly realized the farmer and he lit him and became friends.
A storytelling by Adnan, Standard 7.
Hello friends, I am Adnan. I am studying in Standard 7 at MSM HSS Kayangulam. I am going to tell a story. The story's name is Strong or Weak. There was a proud teak tree in the forest. He was tall and strong. There was a small herb next to the tree. The teak tree said, I am very handsome and strong. No one can defeat me. Hearing this, the herb replied, Dear friend, too much pride is harmful. Even strong will fall one day. The teak ignored the herb words. He continued to praise himself. Blew. The teak stood firmly, even when it rained. The teak stood strong by spreading its leaves. During this time, the herb bowed low. The teak made fun of the herb. Oh, ha ha ha, he he, ho ho ho, ho, you silly grass, good for nothing. Look at me, how strong I am. One day, there was a storm in the forest. The herb bowed low. As usual, the teak did not want to bow. The storm kept growing stronger. The teak could no longer bear it. He felt his strength giving way. He tried his best to stand upright, but in the end, he fell down. That was the end of the proud tree. When everything was calm again, the herb stood straight. He looked around. He said that the proud teak had fallen. Alas, poor teak, the herb felt pity. Thank you.
Nice narration. Thank you, Adnan. Is very interesting. A Kukurisha by Rihanna, class 6, and another from Avishek, class 7. Welcome, friends.
Hello, my name is Rihanna. I am studying standard MSM HSS Kayangulam. Today I will be preparing vegetable salad. This is very healthy dish. I will show you the ingredients I am using. Onion, cucumber, tomato, carrot, coriander leaf, then green chili, salt and vinegar. Now cut in the pieces. Put in the bowl. Onion. Cucumber. Tomato. And carrot. Chop the coriander leaf. Then green chili. Put of the pinch of salt.
Add the vinegar and spoon mix. Please.
And small decoration. Very tasty and healthy vegetable salad ready.
Friends, my name is Abhishek. I am studying 7th standard MSM HSS Kayangulam. Today I am preparing a Oreo milkshake. Do you like it? Ingredients are biscuit, milk, sugar. First, grind the biscuit. Grind the biscuit and beat the biscuit, milk and sugar. The Oreo milkshake is ready. Very tasty. Try it.
5 standard friends, Jubana and Elizabeth, are ready with a collage.
I am Fatima. I am studying in 5th standard MSM HHS Kayangulam. I make it collage shape post box. Bye.
My name is Alsabith. I am studying in 5th standard. I have made a collage.